Do you know that feeling of frustration when attempting to grow a small account and go nowhere? If you have tried several strategies and still aren't seeing significant progress, this video is for you. Today we'll show you the method that finally got me out to zero can help you too. I've got a special surprise just for you guys. Watching the entire video, you'll be astonished by what's coming. Today in this video, you're gonna use classic candles and 1 minute on the time frame. For the indicators, we're only gonna use RSI, guys. That's very simple. Okay, so just add this one and let's go to the settings. All right, so for the RSI we're gonna use 5 on that period. We're gonna start with $6 and 1 minute expiration time. All right guys, so for this one, expiration time is 1 minute, as I said. Now I choose the 1 minute and press the right button, okay, to find the currencies, and that was interesting. Wait for 5-10 minutes, so it's a good signal. Let's do the analysis together and try to explain that. The first, you need to find the good moments and silently try to read a big point from above or below. For example, now I see the line have been actively grown and try to go down, and we can trace a trend line right here. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Up to down, okay, and after that I check the candle pattern and look for support or resistance level. Sometimes it can look good and see the right way, and sometimes it can look noise and wait. It's not a problem. For example, see the good strong level, and look at this. I usually draw a line for that, as you said, as I said right here, and that this just try to prevent the price from following this. And look at that, guys, $11, almost 12. That's first one. That's so good. All right, again, I see good resistance right here. You can see that it's trying to get revert. The counter partner to show the price will fall. And also see the average side line is moving in the middle zone, guys. However, unlike the previous trade, I see the line begins to fall down the after correction. Okay. Doesn't look perfect either, but it's better than the last signal. I think you figure out how to work with this strategy and you have no all questions. The time frame is still 1 minute. The time is 1 minute or 2 minutes. That's a paint. Just trace the trend line, guys. Sometimes various line should rise or fall, so that's necessary to use that. Candles should have support resistance level. That's all you need to know. But understand this better. I recommend you to open and trade within 1 minute after the candle have touched the line. Don't wait 5 minutes and then do that. That's not gonna work. This will give you a better chance to make profits. Alright? And look at that. By the way, we got another one. $22, guys. That's very good. It's worth mentioning it. This is just one of the strategies that can revolutionize your journey in this market. To become professional, it's crucial to master the most profitable strategy. But don't worry, I've got you exclusive piece of content that will be the key to your growth. Stick with me to the end of the video and enjoy it. Oh, look at that, guys. This is a good signal. This is a good sample signal. Let's try it right here. If I have any question about the money, this much money to use, how to find the money management, in other questions about using the platform, it's better to open my Telegram and explain everything in detail. Every day here I'm showing to a new meta and how you can use that. Remember that any strategy would not give your guarantees of profit in order for you to do that. You need to practice and perhaps add your experience. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Yeah, guys. Some people like to add indicators or software or something else to my strategy and then easier to use in general. Do not take risk and work wisely when an account will grow. Okay, remember that one will make you richer or internet. So your psychologically and your experience, and the most important thing, trade is not easy money. And look at that, guys. Trade line, we got another one, $42. That's, guys, this is trade making profit again, 6 to 42. I hope this was useful for you. What's your opinion in the results in the comments if you want? So actually right now, I wish you good profits, good operations, and good trade strategy, and I wish you good luck. See you on my YouTube channel. Bye bye.